Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with 0 ingredients. Let's immediately clarify that true ice cream, by definition, requires several key components. The idea of 0 ingredients is a playful thought experiment, highlighting the fundamental elements that give ice cream its delightful texture and taste. We'll delve into what makes ice cream, well, ice cream, and why those ingredients are absolutely essential for a delicious frozen treat. Let's talk about the core elements. First, dairy such as milk or cream forms the base, giving it that rich, smooth mouthfeel. Next, sweeteners, typically sugar, not only add delicious flavor but also help prevent the mixture from freezing into a solid block of ice. Finally, air is crucial. It's churned into the mixture, increasing its volume by 20 to 50% and creating that wonderfully light, airy texture we all love. Beyond ingredients, the process itself is vital. Churning is key. It continuously breaks up ice crystals as they form, ensuring a smooth, creamy texture rather than a gritty one. This also incorporates air, as we just discussed. Rapid freezing is equally important, as slower freezing allows larger, undesirable ice crystals to develop. Together, these steps transform a liquid mixture into the delightful, scoopable frozen dessert we recognize as ice cream. So, while the concept of 0 ingredients ice cream is fun to ponder, the reality is that a few basic components are always necessary for a truly satisfying result. Think of simple recipes using just 3 or 4 ingredients like milk, sugar, and a flavoring. The joy comes from combining these elements and mastering the process to create your own unique, delicious frozen desserts. Happy churning, and enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.